Taza Vox is built on a similar foundation of Taza REO and the other Taza Systems products. The document management portal is available, tasking is available, and all the other standard features. I'd like to cover some of the return on investment and variance calculations that are unique to Taza Vox. I'll demonstrate one of the many asset performance reports available. Let's take a look at one of the property records, Montana Court. I will double click and open the Edit View window. Inside, we can focus on the Acquisitions tab. The green fields are smart calculations that will feed from certain areas depending on the stage that the asset is in the life cycle. Expenses are calculated depending on the type, and of course there's a section where you enter your line item expenses and track the vendors and payment cycles and so forth. And expected selling price feeds from 4 or 5 different sections, anywhere from the offer, the listing, the evaluation, CMA or BPO, whatever's most relevant at the time. There's also a bunch of other unique features at the top: leasing information, loan information, track the property's insurance if you're holding this for a certain amount of time, rehab projects, inspector, marketing plans, you name it, there's all kinds of different options available. So here's the core data that you can have for one of the records. Let's go check out one of the summary reports. Let's go ahead and close here, and we'll drill into this Asset Performance Summary version 1. Here we have the report screen. I want to focus on only the properties that I have sold. Select sold. You have a bunch of other filter criteria here if you choose to use it. And again, this is one of the many reports available. Probably have several hundred you can choose from, or we will build you a custom report with the calculations that you desire. Let's go ahead and hit display. We'll start from the left-hand side, property address. Of course, you can click and drill into the property directly from this dashboard. And these dashboards or summaries, you can give a link to your investors if you have them, and they can come in and run these reports anytime on the properties that you're managing for them. So they also have a login or a portal they can come to for real-time updates. I'll go ahead and scroll from left to right here and take a look at some of the calculations. Out-of-pocket acquisition price, total amount of money invested, indirect expenses, looks like we didn't have any. Net profit, return on investment, 39%. Holding period, we've had it for 23 days. And the IRR is your annualized rate of return. This one was exceptional. I guess we turned it much faster than we expected. Let's go ahead and scroll to the right further. You'll notice that we have a forecasted section. Here you could put in some targets that you want to strive for. We wanted it to have 152% IRR, or annualized rate of return, and an ROI of 25. On the right-hand side, you'll see the variance. How far off or on target were you? And down below, you'll see the total calculations and averages based upon all your properties in this current portfolio or in a current status, city, zip, you name it, you're able to crunch and run these real-time summaries. There's also extensive expense reporting built into the system as well, and many other kinds of reconciliations. How many offers you've received today has to do with the offer system in Taza Homes. BPO summary reports, utility reports, you name it. All kinds of different reporting systems. For more information or for live demonstration or questions, just send us an email. Go ahead and contact success@tazacorp.com.